You'll find all sorts of crazy stories about them, but it's relatable Jamaican stories. So if you haven't been to Jamaica in a while, it will bring you back. And even if you've never been to Jamaica, you'll get a clear idea of some of the things that we do here.
This book is from one of my girlfriends, Katie and Gentles, One Big Irie Family. If you guys want to check it out, it's about living life in Jamaica as a little dirty foot pitney in Spanish Town like me. So I resonate a lot with this book, so I will pump it. Her name is Katie and Gentles. I think you can find it on Amazon. It's a very interesting read. It's very fun. It will bring you back in the days, nostalgia. Over there is just stock for lash out.
Decided that it's not going to be just blood-related family experiences.
The community.
Yes.
Is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. Hi, hello. How are you? I'm out here with my family. We are family. I've got my sisters with me.
Margie, coming live from Margie.
Hey, say hello to Sivani. Hey, so we are at Purple Summit 2019, and I'm just gonna show you a little bit around. So we're at the Courtney Auditorium, Kingston, Jamaica. The purpose of coming, so me have to answer. Okay, so this is our booth.
Yeah.
We have both Irie books on display. Show you around a little bit. It's Kingston, Jamaica on a Saturday afternoon for all those who are overseas.
Yeah.
A big Irie welcome to you all. Oh, look at my pretty sisters telling you welcome, welcome, welcome. Nadine Blair from Love 101. Oh, you shouldn't have seen that. Oh, this is backstage. That's backstage, guys. Nadine Blair from Love 101. She was our first customer today. Yeah. So she bought both books. This is how the puzzle book looks. Okay, so inside you have the different themes, Irie beverages, and everybody that opened the book literally say, "Oh, buck up in now." Yeah. Who don't know buck up in now? Let me know and I'll tell you what it is, okay? Girls, whatever you don't need. Cold bush, dandelion, fever, grass. Couldn't leave out the good old honey. Wood roots, strong bark. Oh, Jesus. Yes. So this is basically you'll find 420 words inside. So it's really, really nice. And they're going fast. Like, people really like them. So this now is the other Irie book, One Big Irie Family. This is the first one that most of you would have known. Okay, so they're showing you the cover. Oh, I didn't show you the back part of this one. This is how the back looks. So this was designed by but this was designed by my own little sister, Kimisha. You can find her on Instagram and Facebook, Kimikogen. That's Kimikogen. Kimikogen Designs. Okay, so she finds them already. Baggy. Who know what name baggy? You know what name baggy? It's an Irie garment. It's another term for underwear, okay, or panty or drawers. What is this? Spooky. It's another term for boyfriend or fiance or BF or all your husband you can call it spooky. Spooky, this is a couple spooky. No, not with a woman still in okay. You don't know the pandemic things there. But yeah. Oh, so I was showing you this one now. This is the cover, the front part. Kimikogen Designs also designed this one. Very, very good job. I really, really love it. Okay, and this gives a little synopsis of who the author is. That's me. Everybody asks me, oh, you can ride? Yes, me can ride. I wasn't just posing right here, me can ride. As a Rasta man take a picture on him bicycle and him say, yes man, go on, go take a ride. And I rode all over in downtown Kingston. Okay, so this was inspired by my crazy family. You'll find all sorts of crazy stories about them, but it's relatable Jamaican stories. So if you haven't been to Jamaica in a while, it will bring you back. And even if you've never been to Jamaica, you'll get a clear idea of some of the things that we do, culture or food, things that we love and appreciate. And what I love about One Big Irie Family is that it's not just blood related family members, but people you can call family. You know, some people were nicer than your blood related, like Stephanie, she's from Irie Family. Wait, she's not sure. Yes. Alrighty, so I think I'm gonna sign off now until a little bit more excitement starts. I'm gonna know what else to say, honestly. The long talking. But let me show you inside. This was, and the book is dedicated to my late mom, Lola. Yeah. So thank you for tuning. Let's start over. Thank you for tuning in. A Jamaican talk. Tune. Yeah, we tune in. YouTube, everything. We just do things differently because we're unique and we're Irie. Alright, so stay tuned. We'll link up again for a little bit more excitement a little later. Yeah.
Bye for now.